All right, so we have just gotten short the oil futures here at 93.37. We like the profile setup here. I'm going to try to bring in the profile real quick. But what we're seeing here is a real, just a crazy move here from yesterday's trading on the first into today's early trading, and just a big move from 91.40 all the way up here to 93.80, $2.40. So we've gotten short and basically have laid down the sword, saying to our members that unless we make a new high, we want to be short this market right now. We're not short at the top. We're again short here as it's trying to. It's either going to go higher and stop us out, or we're going to have this fall down. And I've got a profit target right now in half at 93.06. So that's what we're looking at. Again, the profile here is pretty top heavy. It's got a lot of volume up in this 93.60 area. And again, we just tested that again this morning. So we're going to see if we can't get this to go our way. But again, right now our stop is at 94.02, and we'll be back to let you know how the trade works out. All right, so we are an hour into this trade here on crude, trading 93.45. Again, right around where we sold. 93.36s, 37s is where we sold. So we're just kind of hanging around here, bidding a little bit lower, 93.06. As you can see here on the right side, the SPOs are really in a tight range here, really in a 3 to 5 point range most of the morning, mostly 47 to 50. So we're inside the opening half hour range, and that range is 52.75 to basically right around here, 46, 47. So we're just hanging around here. Again, we'll be back and let you know how the trade develops as we go on here, and it's finally going green here again on the crude contract, 93.32. Patience is a virtue when it comes to trading. And again, I like the setup. Time seems to be in our favor, but our stop is above, and we're bidding below for peace, and we'll go from there. All right, crude now 93.30, again 7:57 here on the West Coast. Been in the trade almost 45 minutes, an hour, and went against us a little bit, now coming back our way. I probably am just going to move the stop down just to containerize risk now. Probably up here, just move the risk to 93.65, right 93.28, and we'll be back again bidding for half down here at 93.06, and we could move there very quickly and take us out of the position. All right, we just took half of our oil trade off there at 93.06, and I'm going to move the other half, or rather I'm just going to move the stop down now. Purely profitable trade. We're going to move it to 26 cents. We're trading at 93.12 right now, so we took off half of the 5 lot we had at 93.06. And we'll be back to see how the trade finishes off. We're just going to have a moving sliding stop here. Matter of fact, I'm going to move it down just a wee bit more, 93.21 right now. Locking in another 15 cents on the top piece, and we'll be back to close the trade. We're starting to hammer crude here, again up 35 cents. We're going to move our stop down to about 93.14. As we break 93 here, we're back to the 61.8 line here for the day. Overnight, again, we traded up considerably, and that's why we took this trade. So the trade is treating us well. It's really, as a matter of fact, I'm going to put the entire stop here at 93.06, where we took off the other half, and we'll just see if it can break 93 hard here. We could get a really quick move here to 92.60. If not, we'll be out, take our 30 cents, and call it a day. But you can see here right now, it's starting to fall very nicely. So I'm going to move my stop to 93.02, and we're trading 92.89. Again, this trade has taken about an hour to shake out, but we've already booked in 30 cents on half the trade. I'm going to move it down another dime here. Again, we could test this overnight low pretty quickly. 92.94 is our stop. Very nice opening trade here this morning. Patience set it up for us, and it's getting hit hard. I moved my stop to 92.84. And we'll leave it right there for right now. We traded at 92.72. Good trade, well done. And 93.60 78.79 is our stop now. Just waiting for the final to get taken out. Again, up around 60 cents right here at 74 cents. So we've locked in half at 93.06, and the other half will come off here probably on this big candle. It should bounce here any second. If not, again, we'll keep moving the stop down. The low for the day, 92.48, is in question. Probably will go test that at some point now. All the buyers for the morning are trapped, and you're starting to see SPOOs not so much roll over, but the dollar was rallying again here, and this is probably pushing some of the pressure in all the asset classes. They all are moving together this morning, and you've got to be really careful. Again, we talked about it this morning. No reason to chase this market after running 5% higher after the news. And we're out of the trade there at 92.79. We picked off the other half, the other 3 lot, and that's it. Have a great trading morning. We'll be back with more posts, and happy 2013.